Hey guys, welcome to my video on how to select a copywriting course to earn an extra income, plus what to avoid. In this short video, I'm going to tell you some of the things you should look for in a copywriting course when selecting one, and some of the pitfalls to avoid. And also, as a bonus towards the end of the video, I'm going to tell you where you can get free help and advice to help you in your freelancing career if you're just starting out or you've hit a roadblock. So look out for that towards the end. But first, let's dig into what to look for and what to avoid when selecting a copywriting course. Okay, so the first thing to say is beware of overpriced, hypey courses that make copywriting sound way too easy. Now, while you can make a lot of money copywriting, it does require some work and some effort. And I see way too many courses that make it sound very, very simple. Look, while it's not that difficult, to be quite frank with you, just beware of courses that overhype and make it sound too simple, because often you'll find with these type of courses that the content is quite thin and very often not worth the money. Now, also make sure the course you choose is within your budget. And here's a tip, is to look out for a payment plan if they have one. I've seen courses that cost many thousands of dollars, which I don't believe to be any better than others that cost a few hundred. So be within your budget, look for something that suits your pocket, and don't waste your money. Sometimes there's no need to spend thousands and thousands of dollars for something you can pick up for a few hundred. And finally, look out for testimonials from real people who have taken the course you're considering and have made it as a copywriter. But I always say beware of testimonials that simply say the course is great, fantastic, brilliant. Look for success stories where students have actually applied what they learned and made money. Okay, now as my bonus tip, where to get free help if you're just starting out. Let me help you with that. If you're just getting started, why not head over to my website at freelanceyourfuture.com, where there's plenty of free help and advice to get you on your way. Now, all the advice I give is based on my own real experience gained from being a freelance writer since 2011. My website's a great starting point, and I'll also point you to a course I think might help you on your way and help you get started. So hopefully see you over there, and I look forward to helping you with your freelancing career. Okay guys, so I hope you found that content useful. It's critically important that you do get yourself a decent course, obviously, because otherwise you're going to spend weeks, months, maybe even years of chasing your tail and not getting the whole thing right. Now, there's plenty more information to help you. There should be a link on the screen now that can take you to more information. There's other videos on my channel, which is all free advice for you. So, do take me up and have a look at that. Alternatively, head over to my website at freelanceyourfuture.com, and there's loads of free information, help and advice on there as well. So that's it for this video, and hope to talk to you again soon. Ciao for now.